Baby high chairs are like awesome helpers in your home. They're a cool spot for feeding your little one, making it easier for parents and letting kids learn to eat by themselves in a safe place. The best ones are not just good looking, they're super useful and safe. People love giving them as classic baby shower gifts, and they're a top choice on registries. If you get one for the new mom or dad, you'll definitely be their favorite. These high chairs don't just make feeding simpler, they make life easier too. They're like a safe seat for your child during meals or other activities, or even when they just want to chill and watch you make dinner. While high chairs might seem like a basic thing, just pick one you like, right? There's more to it. You need to think about things like style, how easy it is to clean, what features it has, safety, and of course, the cost. We examine thousands of online reviews and feedback from parents to come up with the best options for your child. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are in the description below. 5. Maxi Cosi MOA 8-in-1 High Chair. The MOA 8-in-1 High Chair has garnered praise for its surprising combination of lightweight design and robust sturdiness. Functionality takes center stage with the MOA 8-in-1 High Chair, extending beyond the conventional. It transforms seamlessly into a multifunctional chair, serving your child's needs from 6 months through elementary school. This versatility is showcased as it transitions effortlessly between roles, functioning as a high chair, a booster with a tray, a booster without a tray, a stool, and even a stool with a desk. Each facet of the chair is crafted for practicality, and notably, the tray adds a layer of convenience with its dishwasher-safe feature, ensuring effortless maintenance for busy parents. Priced at $180, this high chair emerges as a value-packed investment, catering to a broad spectrum of needs. Crafted from a blend of steel and PFAS-free plastic, the MOA 8-in-1 High Chair signifies a professional and safety-conscious choice for parents. Its portability enhances its user-friendly design, and the cleaning process is simplified through easy wipe-down maintenance, ensuring a hassle-free experience for caregivers seeking a reliable and versatile high chair for their child's developmental journey. MOA is a versatile chair designed to cater to your child's needs from the age of 6 months to 5 years. It seamlessly transforms from a high chair to a booster seat, then into a toddler stool, and finally into a practical desk and seat as your little one grows. Acknowledging the inevitable messiness of mealtimes, MOA prioritizes easy cleanup. Featuring a water-repellent, machine-washable inlay, a washable 5-point harness, and a dishwasher-safe tray, MOA ensures that your child's eating area remains consistently clean. Adding a touch of contemporary elegance to your home, MOA boasts sleek lines and a neutral color palette that effortlessly complements your decor. Its design eliminates hidden crevices where food might get stuck, and the use of luxurious finishes and performance fabrics ensures that MOA is not only functional but also a stylish addition to your living space. 4. Inglesina Fast Table Chair. Introducing the Fast Table Chair, an unequivocal favorite among travel high chairs. Inglesina is the leading premium baby gear brand in Italy, making high-quality strollers, high chairs, and table chairs since 1963. The Inglesina Fast Table Chair is designed with parents and babies in mind, from its quick setup at most tables to its durable construction. This baby high chair will allow for a quick and easy mealtime whether at home or on the go, and includes an integrated travel-friendly carry bag. This particular model has proven to be an indispensable asset during outings with family members like nieces and nephews, showcasing unparalleled utility and ease of use. Notably, it has become a common sight in restaurants, chosen by discerning parents for its practicality. A recent amusing encounter at a brewery featured no less than 4 fast table chairs in use simultaneously, a testament to its widespread popularity. The brand, Inglesina, merits acknowledgement and recognition for the success of this innovative creation, perhaps even deserving an IPA named in their honor. One of the standout features of the Fast Table Chair is its meticulous design, incorporating rubberized arms to ensure table surfaces remain unblemished. Furthermore, it seamlessly attaches to tables up to 3.5 inches thick, catering to various dining environments. Adding to its appeal, the chair includes a dedicated carrying case, enhancing its portability for on-the-go use. Despite being designated for hand washing, maintenance is straightforward. A swift spray off in the sink and subsequent air drying suffice. Crafted from a composite of fabric, plastic, and steel, the Fast Table Chair epitomizes a professional and practical choice for travel. Its portability renders it an ideal companion for parents in motion, while its design safeguards table surfaces from scratches and ensures secure attachment to a variety of table thicknesses, up to 3.5 inches. The elevated table chair is perfect for infants and toddlers aged 6 to 36 months, accommodating weights up to 37 pounds. The resilient and washable materials guarantee a long-lasting lifespan for this product. Additionally, it features a practical storage pocket and includes a carry bag for added convenience. The thoughtful design incorporates a handy storage pocket for quick access to essentials like wipes, toys, snacks, and more. The carry bag is cleverly situated beneath the seat, facilitating easy portability. 3. GRUB 2-in-1 Convertible High Chair. Step into a world where the everyday hassle of cleaning your little one's high chair becomes a thing of ease, where the entire high chair effortlessly finds its way into the dishwasher. Picture it, no need to daydream, as the GRUB 2-in-1 Convertible High Chair from Boon turns this imagined convenience into a tangible reality, reshaping the simplicity of parenting. Almost every part of this high chair, except for the cushion and straps, is crafted to be dishwasher-friendly, elevating the notion of practicality in parenting. It's not just about cleaning, it's about making those everyday tasks a little less demanding, a bit more manageable. What sets the Boon apart isn't just its dishwasher-friendly perks, but also its remarkable adaptability. With adjustable positions for the seat, tray, and footrest, it transcends the standard high chair experience, tailoring comfort for your little one. Yet, its adaptability doesn't stop there. It extends to you, the parent, adding an extra layer of ease to your daily routine. Crafted with care from a blend of plastic and steel, the GRUB 2-in-1 Convertible High Chair introduces an innovative touch to parenting. Its portability, coupled with features like dishwasher-safe components and easy wipe clean functionality, places it in the category of practical and user-friendly options for parents seeking a harmonious balance of convenience and functionality in their child's high chair. 2. DuoDiner DLX 6-in-1 High Chair. The DuoDiner DLX 6-in-1 High Chair offers exceptional versatility, as it seamlessly transitions into a booster when your child is ready for that stage. Priced at under $200, it proves to be highly practical, owing to its convertibility and user-friendly design. The conversion process itself is notably uncomplicated, adding to the chair's overall convenience. One notable feature is the easily foldable base, minimizing potential areas where food might get stuck and simplifying the cleaning process. With just a Lysol wipe, it was able to clean the entire chair in a matter of seconds, highlighting its user-friendly maintenance. While it may not be the most compact when utilized as a booster, its comfort is evident as observed by the babies who tend to fall asleep in an upright position. Crafted from a combination of plastic and steel, the DuoDiner DLX 6-in-1 High Chair is not only versatile but also portable, making it a practical choice for parents. Additionally, its cleaning process is convenient, allowing for both dishwasher usage and quick wipe downs for easy maintenance. 1. Trapp High Chair. The Trapp High Chair is a resilient companion throughout your child's developmental stages. From infancy to toddlerhood and beyond, this chair adapts effortlessly. The snug infant seat, easily cleaned for convenience, cradles your baby. As your little one transitions to toddlerhood, the chair places them at the table's perfect height. Later on, it serves as a slightly elevated seat for the growing child. While the official age range is 6 months to 3 years, the chair boasts a weight limit surpassing 200 pounds and offers 5 adjustable height positions, extending its practicality. Weighing in at 18 pounds, it's a solid beechwood construction, representing the pinnacle of high chair quality. The chair's neutral finish complements any interior, and its easily cleanable sheen maintains its luster without compromising the seat. The infant insert, surprisingly easy to remove, facilitates regular deep cleaning, setting it apart in terms of durability, style, and functionality. The Trapp High Chair brings your child directly to the table, enhanced by the baby set designed for ages 6 to 36 months. Remarkably, the beechwood chair supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring prolonged utility. The baby set includes a 5-point safety harness and a seat easy to clean. As your child outgrows this set, a simple removal and adjustment of the back and foot support achieve the ideal ergonomic angle. Engineered to facilitate freedom of movement as your child grows, the Trapp chair offers a spectrum of colors and 2 wood finishes. This guarantees its seamless integration into any setting. Notably, it holds the prestigious JPMA certification, attesting to its adherence to safety standards. In summary, the Trapp High Chair embodies durability, style, and functionality, making it a lasting and favored choice for families. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.